Zach. What do you have there?
It's a strawberry.
Oh, yum! I love strawberries. Do you know where strawberries come from, Zach?
Of course I know where strawberries come from. The fridge.
Well, actually, they're...
I know. Don't tell me. The grocery store.
We do buy strawberries at the grocery store. But before they're sold in a store, strawberries grow on plants. And you can even grow your own at home.
What?
You need a strawberry plant and a pot.
What's that dirty stuff?
It's dirt.
I had a sneaking suspicion.
Put your plant in the pot and make sure it's nice and cozy in the dirt.
I love touching dirt.
Oh, I know.
Hey, why is she pouring water on the plant?
Water helps plants grow.
Interesting. Look, strawberries. But why are they green?
Strawberries start as flowers. Then they're green. When they finally ripen, they turn red.
And that's how we know they're ready to eat?
Exactly.
I can't wait to grow my own strawberries next year. But for now, can you please fill up a watering can and pour water on my head? I'm trying to grow something else.
Really? What?
My hair!